welcome back guys to a new episode. So what is happening to the Bitcoin price? We saw here a massive move to the downside and actually completing one of my targets, even though it was in the wrong direction. So I definitely want to talk about this. And there are now finally some other crypto YouTubers talking about what I had told you weeks ago already in advance. So, and I will show you again what that was. So let's get here straight into the content, guys. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet and you're the first time here on the channel. Would really appreciate. And now let's get here directly into the content, guys. So as I had told you yesterday, we had here this massive falling, broadening wedge that we broke to the upside. And when we broke here to the upside, we started to go sideways here in this resistance area of $38,500, $39,000 approximately. And it looked good that we wanted to break here into the next resistance zone at $39,500 to $41,000, but got massively here rejected the first time. Then here we got rejected. Then we tried yesterday once again to get into this zone and got rejected once again. So, and with this fake out here, we have to admit that there was a fake breakout here to the upside out of this symmetrical triangle that I was talking about. The technical target was actually close to the top here of the resistance zone, close to $41,000. And yeah, we obviously did not go there and instead started breaking to the downside. So, and we can say that we more or less hit here the technical target down here. It depends on how you measure the symmetrical triangle. But we more or less hit the technical target. So if you have shorted this here to the downside, congratulations to you guys. Like many of you know, I'm not shorting, so I did not take this trade. So we went all the way down here to $36,993 approximately and got from there directly pushed back up again $37,700, which is the level here, which is holding as support right now and was also the reason why we are now trading here in higher prices and get kind of sandwiched between the resistance and that support zone here. And the obvious question is now, what will be the next Bitcoin move? What will be the next trade that we can take advantage of here on the Bitcoin chart? And I definitely want to get into this. So let me show you here on the 4-hourly chart. So just on another chart, the reason why we actually got rejected. So we don't have only our resistance zone lining up at $39,000 all the way up to $41,000 in total. So, but the other one is like here. So we don't have only this resistance zone here. We have also the 50 moving average here in red coming in around the same lower end of that resistance zone. So, and if I zoom in here, you can actually see that the price action came really, really close to the 50 exponential moving average. And from there, we got a massive rejection also under the 21 moving average here in yellow. So, and the price is fighting right now with the 21 to stay above the 21 and then potentially gain momentum to break above the 50 exponential moving average. So, and once that is happening, we will also see that the 50 will move in direction of the 200 to get here another golden cross, and that will obviously be the start of a new uptrend, most likely for the Bitcoin price to the upside. So, but for now we are still trading under all these indicators, plus we have that heavy resistance zone that we have to overcome. So, but now I want to talk about a scenario that I was talking about already 3 weeks ago, and I was actually the only one, I'm pretty certain about this, that I was the only one pointing this out. People laughed at me, people were throwing really bad comments at me, were calling me crazy that this is not playing out. But now I saw today other YouTubers talking about this, so I'm not alone with that view anymore. So, and that is here on the weekly chart. Many of you have already seen it, that massive W pattern. So I'm not alone anymore in seeing this. So sorry, let me redraw this like this. So I'm not alone anymore in seeing this on the weekly chart. So other YouTubers also jumping now on this and seeing this. So obviously the last line here that can move on a little bit, you know, so depending on how the candles are forming. So this doesn't have to be 100% accurate for the time being. We will see it once the price action reclaiming here ground to the upside, how this is unfolding. So it will not go up here in a straight, more or less line every week to complete this like this. So obviously it can, but I don't expect this to happen in that sense. I think more that will here go sideways above 41, then it gets another push close to 50, then goes sideways again, then another push up, again sideways, and then touch the resistance all the way up here. So you see this could look, potentially more like this, which would be still fine as long as we are completing this pattern. So it's really nice to see that I'm not alone with this anymore, and other people are seeing this too, because that means I'm not actually that crazy if other people start to seeing this. On the daily chart, nothing has really changed. We are still above this descending falling wedge here. So, but we are also still under the $39,800 resistance here on the Wyckoff plan. Also no changes so far there. There's today not really much more to say, guys. We have to wait and to see what this new week will bring us, especially here on the lower time frames. I could actually see that this might be here also a fake out. If now the price action starts turning around, breaking back into this symmetrical triangle and breaks it out again, then this down here was definitely also a fake out. There we got two fake outs in a symmetrical triangle, one up here and the other one all the way down here, and then finally the real breakout to the upside. So why do I think that this might be a possibility? When we are looking at the stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI is pointing to the upside here. And also another indicator on the daily chart that I almost forgot to mention, guys, so that's why I had the daily chart open, is the super guppy. So the super guppy works similar to the EMA ribbons. The only difference is it shows you clearer when we are in a downtrend and when we are in an uptrend, because the ribbon is to the upside red and to the downside blue when we are in a downtrend, and it is neon green in an uptrend and light blue on the upper end in an uptrend. So now I want to show you something. Compare this. So here you can see the last downtrend here to there. If you look at the length of it, it's almost the similar length. And also when we came here to the bottom of this Wyckoff zone, we started an uptrend again. So it could be, like I said to you guys, that we get here the final move down and then the guppy will flip and we get back into our uptrend. So like I said, we are only a couple days away from this, potentially a week, maybe 10 days, and then we should see finally here blue skies for the Bitcoin price back to the upside. If you obviously want to trade this bottom that is coming in here in the next coming days, then you can definitely go to BYBIT or to Phemex. The links are in the pinned comment below. You still get $4,100 on BYBIT and $5,100 on Phemex for depositing some money. It takes only 15 seconds to sign up, deposit some money, start trading, then claim your bonus, trade with the bonus, withdraw the profits from the bonus, and then bank this somewhere. Also, I want to point out that in my signals channels, we are definitely still achieving amazing gains no matter the market conditions here. The link to my signals channel is also in the video description. Please use the link from the description, not from the comment. Don't fall for a scammer. Just take from the description the link, then you can be sure it is actually my staff that you are writing with. Also, the link to my free Telegram channel will be posted just under the signals channel. If you want to join the free channel, feel free to do so. Other than that, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again from the beautiful Bangkok tomorrow.